activities English news. Ahead of elections, SP Moria quits UP cabinet, may join SP. And today's my thought is everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. And today is my health tip to all of you: take multivitamin supplement. And today is my amazing fact is the world oldest country is in Europe. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Sneha. Good job. Very well presented. Next candidate, come into the picture. No one wants to present.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Mukesh, start.
So, very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I am Mukesh Sharma. Would like to present my four activities back to back. And today's English news is a state minister BJP MLA among 74 acquitted. And today's health tip is please drink hot water in the morning. And today's amazing fact: NASA has reached to the sun. And today's thought is if you want to do anything, just do. Don't worry about anything. Thank you all.
Very well said. Very well said. Okay. Next candidate,
Sir, I am audible.
Vibhav, start.
Uh, Good afternoon, class. I would like to present my four activities back to back. My first activity is today's news. Dr. Amrinder Singh as well as Washington Sundar has corona positive. My next activity is today's health tip. Don't take food in hot pot, yeah, or hot plastic pots. My next activity is amazing fact. In the species of she horse, male gives the birth. My next activity is today's thought. It is depend on your vision how words look. Thank you.
Yes, next.
Good afternoon, sir. May I start?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Snigdha, would like to present my four activities back to back. First, English news. COVID-19 cases have stabilized in Delhi. Restrictions can be lifted. The amazing fact: your skin is the largest organ in your body, regulating your temperature and fighting disease and infection. Health tip: avoid long gap between meals. Thought: knowledge can only be got in one way, the way of experience. There is no another way to know. Thank you.
Yes, next. Very well
Good
said.
afternoon, sir.
Yes, okay.
Good afternoon, sir. I, Harleen Kaur, would like to present my four activities. Today's news is 1,444 new COVID cases reported in Lucknow as of 11th January 2022. Today's thought is man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Today's health tip is avoid close contact with the people who are sick. And today's vocabulary word is hackneyed, means common. Thank you.
Okay. Very well spoken. All the candidates who are presenting the four activities, they have done a remarkable job. Next candidate.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, please speak.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I Pratham would like to present my four activities back to back. Today's English news is India recorded 1,94,720 fresh COVID cases in the last 24 hours. My amazing fact to all is most English words come from French or Old English. And my health tip to all is drink lots of fluid. And last, my thought of the day is don't try to be perfect, try to be capable. Thank you.
Very nice. Next. Next. Everyone can try presenting their four activities back to back. It's very easy. Four activities back to back. English news, amazing fact, health tip, and thought. Yes, please try.
Hello,
Yes, please speak.
Tarun sir.
Yes, please speak.
Sheetal here.
Please,
Ji,
please
yeah.
present your activities. Yes.
Haridwar bans. Yes, today news. Haridwar bans Ganga Snan on Makar Sankranti due to Omicron spread.
Very good.
Thought of the day: a positive a positive mindset being positive things. Amazing facts. The first English dictionary was written in 1755. 1755.
Very good. Very good, ma'am.
Health tip.
Uh-huh.
So health tip.
Okay.
Don't stress.
Don't take stress. That's excellent. And finally, Sheetal ma'am, you have started to present your activities. That was excellent on your part. So next candidate who is coming up.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Yes, next candidate. Okay, I think so. No one else wants to present.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aisha Misra. New English news. Thought one should keep his promise. Had tips. Drink lots of water.
Lots of water. Very nice. Okay. English news. What's your English news?
Sir, English news nahi.
No problem. No problem.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Next candidate. Who wants to present 4 activities? Come on, speak up. Yes, speak up. No one. Okay, fine. So from today, you people will have to understand one thing, that 4 activities are daily activities. These are very necessary. I do not initiate the main activity without these daily
Sir,
activities.
can I start the 4 activities?
Please start.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Mahendra Singh Thakur. Would like to present my 4 activities back to back. My first activity is English news. My English news is Tata Group to replace Vivo as title sponsor. Now we would call the Tata IPL. And the amazing fact is Kerala is the most educated state in India. And my health tip: wake up early in the morning. And my thought of the day is believe in yourself as well as in your hard work. Thank
Excellent. Excellent presentation of the 4 activities. Next candidate. Mahendra, mute yourself. I need not repeat this. Okay. So anyone else who wants to present his English news, amazing fact, health tip, and thought? So I would be heading towards the main activity now. This is a presentation. Now see, listen to this, how to actually deliver an online presentation. It is very easy. First of all, you should know how to make a PowerPoint presentation. If you are not aware of making PowerPoint presentations, I will teach you, no worries. Second thing, there are 3 stages of a presentation. How many stages? 3 stages of a presentation. The first step is introducing a presentation. It should be rock solid. It should be rock solid introduction. Second thing, body of the presentation, where you will have to mention about the topic. Whatever topic you select, you will have to describe in detail. And the third and final step is the conclusion. तो बच्चों पहला स्टेप क्या होता है? इंट्रो. सेकेंड स्टेप इज बॉडी ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन एंड थर्ड इज कंक्लूजन. And today's presentation is so easy. I have asked the students to present a presentation on their favorite pet or favorite animal. I know maximum of them love dogs. कुत्तों से बड़ा प्यार है इंसानों को. अच्छी बात है, कम से कम इंसान से तो ज्यादा वफादार हैं. तो चलिए इसको प्रेजेंटेशन में ही लेके आते हैं. नाउ सी, आपने ये चीज देखी? ये चीज जरा गौर करिए, मैंने स्क्रीन पे क्या बनाया है. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी. बच्चे जब भी आप ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए रेडी हो जाएं, देखिए भाई साहब को रोक दिया मैंने. सो आप ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन बोलना तो है, यू विल हैव टू स्पीक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बट ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन शुड कैरी इमेजेस एंड पिक्चर्स, जिससे कि सामने वाला देख के केवल स्क्रीन ही देखता रहे, मतलब अपने घर का भी कुत्ता भूल जाए थोड़ी देर के लिए वो. So today I, Tarun sir, is going to present a presentation on, see, this is not my favorite pet, but I am presenting on dogs. My dear students, number one, dog is actually a domesticated descendant of wolf. Have you got my point? ठीक है, थोड़ा हाई फाई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहा हूं, परेशान नहीं होना. ठीक है, मैं आप लोगों को केवल सिखा रहा हूं कि ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन से बहुत इजी होता है. जो भी बच्चे आगे चल के ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेंगे उनको मैं बता दूं दैट ऑनलाइन इज इजियर एज कंपेयर्ड टू ऑफलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन. फिर से सुनो, my presentation today, very good afternoon to one and all present over here. Today I, Tarun sir, would like to present a presentation on dogs. Dogs are considered to be the domesticated descendant of a wolf. Dogs are also considered to be the most loyal pets after dolphins. They can sense danger. I have an amazing fact about dog. Dogs can sense the upcoming earthquake. Let us discuss about the various attributes of a dog. Number one, look at this. Dog's saliva. Dog's saliva is working as a medicine only for dogs. Only for dogs. And now let's talk about the dog's tail. This is not a joke, but biologically it has been proven that when a dog wags its tail, that means it is happy. And when a dog actually lowers down its tail, it is scared. So here I would like to conclude the presentation by asking, is there questions, if any? Audience, raise your questions. I'll clear the screen for you all. Oh, no questions from the audience. Mere bachon, don't sit like fools.
So I have a question.
Ha, come on, raise.
So do you
Which
have
dog
any
breed
pet
is your
dog?
favorite breed?
No. I'm so sorry. Forgive me for this. I don't know the breed of this dog. I think so. This is Pomeranian. But this is not my favorite breed. I don't have any favorite breed. Reason why? जब से कुत्ते मुझको दौड़ाने लगे मुझे नफरत होने लगी उनसे. तो बच्चे, dogs have started to chase my bike. I hate dogs. Let's throw acid on dogs. Next question. Okay, now look at this. This is a digital presentation. This is actually a digital presentation. So I would love to see a student who wants to present his presentation digitally. I will give the rights to share the screen. I will give you the rights to share the screen. Do you want me to give you this right? आपने कुछ बनाया है ऐसा डिजिटल? नहीं बनाया, no problem. Okay, one by one. Please start your presentation on dogs. Or cats, or wolf, or dolphins. Anyone who wants to present his or her presentation. Today is Wednesday.
सर ये बताइए डिजिटली मतलब क्या होता है?
Digitally means online. Digitally means online. And try to speak in English or tone थोड़ा नीचे.
ओके सर.
Shabash. Mind it, everyone. Okay. अरे भाई प्रेजेंटेशन देने आए हो, क्या करने आए हो? मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो.
Good afternoon to all of you. I, Mahendra
Shabash.
Singh, would like to present a presentation on the on horse.
Horse.
A horse is a very useful and domestic animal. It is a strong animal and a good companion, as well as a good friend of human beings. Horses are very much loyal and devoted to their masters, and they can sacrifice their life in order to save their masters. Horses have a very special role in the history of mankind. We can never forget Alexander the Great and Maharana Pratap, who equally loved their horses and gave them names as Vushfalas and Chetak. Horses are of many breeds, but the Arabian horses is a very special and royal breed. The Arabian horses are known for their speed, stiffness, and attractiveness, and are very popular and demanding all over the world. Thank you.
Very, very good, Mahendra. I have got something for you. And this is specially for you. Look at this. इसी को डिजिटल कहते हैं. जो बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि चुटकियों में आपको एक तरीके से डिजिटल बनाने आना चाहिए. मेरी बात समझ गए? देखना, जितनी देर में आपने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, मैंने आप लोगों को एक डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन दिखा दिया. वाओ. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so इसको डिजिटल कहते हैं बच्चे. Thank you so much. So please keep learning things. शीतल मैम, क्या आप देख रही हैं मैं क्या करना चाह रहा हूं, समझाना चाह रहा हूं?
जी सर.
Say yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Mahendra. Very nice points from you. Okay. Next candidate, come into the picture and present your presentation.
Okay, sir, may I start?
Please start, Sneha. Huh.
Warm wishes one and all to present here. Today, I, Sneha Sharma, would like to present my today's presentation. That is favorite pet. So my favorite pet is German Shepherd. The German Shepherd is the breed of medium to large-sized working dog that is oriented German. And according to FCI, the brief English language name is German Shepherd dog. The brief name was officially known as the Australian Wolf dog in the UK from after the First World War until 1977, when its name was changed back to German Shepherd. And German Shepherd are famous for their intelligent, loyal, and nature. Thank you. Okay, audience. Now it's time to apply a break to my words, and I would like to conclude the topic by raising few questions.
By raising, why will you raise questions? Say that. Okay. Say that, audience. Now it's your chance to raise questions.
Okay.
Is this German Shepherd?
Yes, sir.
Okay. समझे? दांत तो बेटा मेरी तरह लग रहे हैं थोड़े, खैर चलिए कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, वेरी नाइस। सो प्रेजेंटेशन आपकी और डिजिटल मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, एक्सीलेंट। Anyone else who wants to present a presentation on your favorite pet or on favorite animal or only on animals?
Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Balvinder. Welcome to my class. Yes, Balvinder, please present your presentation.
Hello, everyone. Warm wishes to everyone over here. I am Balvinder Singh. Would like to present my presentation on the topic street dogs. I can say dogs are my favorite pet, but moreover, are likely to be very much being-hearted to the street dogs who live on streets. Like because they are not adopted by the family to keep on house, but they are used to live their living on road by their own self, which keeps me motivated that how how life treats you. You need to come over by yourself, and you should keep working so for your living. And right now, moreover, we have seen that stray dogs are found everywhere. We should they the moreover the living by which they live is the food which is given to them by their neighborhood or the colony that makes them to live.
Okay, Balvinder, I would like to actually interrupt. Reason why? I'm just giving 90 seconds to students. Okay, 90 seconds presentation. It was very awesome from your side. Can you mute yourself? Next candidate, Arsalan, Arushi. Anyone who wants to present? Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arslan, and I want to speak on my favorite animal, that is a cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. It is the only domesticated species in the family and is often referred to as a domestic cat to distinguish it from the wild members of the family. A cat can either be a house cat, a farm cat, or a feral cat. The latter ranges freely and avoids human contact. Domestic cats are valued by humans for companionship and their ability to kill rodents. About 60 cat breeds are recognized by various cat registries. Thank you.
वाओ, क्या छाप के बोला है, वेरी गुड। कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा बोला आपने, समझ गए। कहाँ से देख के बोल रहे थे?
सर विकिपीडिया।
बेटा तरुण सर knows everything. खैर, लेकिन अच्छा बोले बेटा। Okay, next candidate, come on, tell me. और पहली बात तो बच्चे, जब भी whenever you speak, so learn this discipline and manners that अपना वीडियो चलाओ भाई। ये क्या तरीका है? Why don't you turn on your video and speak? मेरी क्लास इस तरीके से मत करने आया करिए कि खाना खाया और लेट गए या बैठ गए। बच्चे आप लोग, you people are paying for this course. Next. ओहो, जानवरों पे नहीं बोल पाओगे? What is this? Yes, विभव, वीडियो चला दो जरा। Come on, turn on your video. Yes, very good. ऐसा लग रहा अभी भी मेट्रो में हो। चलो बोलो।
Hello guys, I would like to present a presentation on a topic, and that is my favorite pet. I would like to inform you, my favorite pet is a peacock. I do not like to lock a bird or animal in my house, but after all,
Nice.
I would like to adopt a peacock. When I saw it at social media, PM Modi has adopted some peacocks, and he was giving food to them. And before, there is an amazing fact about India. India before 1984, if you adopt a peacock, you should a license about it, but not now. So as I said, I do not want to catch any bird or animal in my house. That's why I will adopt a peacock when I have a big garden, and I will give him a chance. I will let them live into the freely. Thank you, guys.
Okay, Vibhav, it was excellent. Now see, students, while presenting a presentation, what you people got to do is that please focus on your grammar. He was talking about the year 1984, and he said that if you now look at his sentence, and you will have to correct the sentence. Okay, Vibhav said that if you talk about the year 1984, you said that people are. Sakshi, are you there? Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to see you. Sakshi, can you please correct this sentence? If you talk
Yes, sir.
about, you can correct.
If you talk about the year 1984, people were.
Excellent, good grammar. Yesterday also you were very good over there. We will talk about this later on. Okay, fine. Next candidate who wants to present his or her presentation.
Excuse me, sir. So I made the presentation of a cat.
Beta, you have made the presentation. I'll give you the rights to actually share your presentation. But before this, let me invite other candidates. Pratham, Amit Yadav, Arjit, anyone who wants to present a presentation online? No one?
Sir, may
What's your name and turn on your video?
Sir, Pratham, sir.
Yes, turn on your video, face everyone. And I would request everyone to just turn on their videos. चलिए सब लोग अपना videos चलाइए. Everyone, turn on your videos.
May I start?
Get into this habit of turning on your videos. Okay. Yes, Pratham, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Pratham, would like to present a presentation on my favorite pet, that is dog. I love dogs because they are very cute and they are very loyal to their owners. But at most, when I am lonely, they can be a good friend as well.
Nice. ठीक है. Don't feel hesitated. Keep on speaking. You are the first person, when you feel lonely, you need a dog. My God, go ask lovers what they need. They need beer, alcohol, drugs.
Sir, I have made this much only.
You have made this much only? Excellent. Okay, fine. No problem. Good. Next candidate who is coming up, Sheetal ji. Sheetal ma'am?
जी सर
Yeah, okay, fine.
जी सब मेरा ना डिजिटल नहीं बना है
ना अभी आप उसको बना
बोलूंगी
आप बोलेंगे. Yes, okay. In case if you wish to, you can turn on your video and speak, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
In case if you wish to, you can even turn on your video. I'll not force you on this. आपका मन, लेकिन अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि सब बच्चे आपको देखेंगे. हाँ.
जी सर, मैं अभी पहले बोलती हूँ.
Okay.
जी. Dogs are super faithful and loyal of their masters. A dog is an intelligent pet. Dogs are of different colors, usually brown, black, white, and reddish brown. Dogs are different size too. Dogs are so मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं.
मैंने बेटी उसने लिखा
आप
था.
ऐसा तो नहीं कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे?
The dog guard the house and.
Very nice. Okay. अच्छा, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं बोलना चाह रहे थे? All men are dogs. ऐसा कुछ इशारे से कुछ भी नहीं. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. ठीक है मैम, वेरी नाइस. प्लीज एवरीवन जरा स्क्रीन पे क्लैप फॉर मैम. शी शुड सी दिस. अपलॉड फॉर हर. शी डिजर्व्स दिस. वेरी गुड. Very good, ma'am. Okay. Now, yes. You can also send the reactions. आपको reactions मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. All smileys. ये सब सीख जाइए Zoom पर. तो मैं मैम के लिए कुछ भेज रहा हूँ. मैम. Very good. Next candidate, who is coming? Yes. No one. Fine then.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Mukesh. Come on now. You are a wounded tiger, and you know the reason why. So, आज एकदम धमाल कर दो presentation में. Start.
Definitely, sir. So, hey everyone. Very sweetly, good afternoon to all of you. Today, I, Mukesh Sharma, would like to present my presentation on my favorite pet. Yeah, my favorite pet is a dog. Dogs are very funny, sensible, and loyal creatures. Mostly, we find pets in form of dogs, and that too of different breed and varieties. I had a great passion and love for dogs because I had a pet dog, and its name was Seru. It was very loyal